There are numerous methods to earn an extra $100 in a day, and let us face it, everyone needs a little more cash now and then. If your mortgage, dependents, school loans, or other monthly expenses have depleted your cash flow, you may need to find a creative approach to create that extra money today. Some of my suggestions can deposit money in your bank account right away, while others will take a bit longer to develop. At least one of them should be able to help you. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. To begin, you may make extra money each month by enrolling in these frugal cashback programs. Sign up now and start earning real money with sign-up bonuses right away. You can use Pinata, an app that allows renters to earn incentives, save money on ordinary expenses, and accumulate credit for a better rental experience. Simply by signing up, you will receive a $30 gift card as well as $20 Pinata cash. We get loyalty points for nearly everything these days, except our greatest expense, which is rent. Pinata recognizes tenants who pay their rent on time and in full. They also donate a meal to someone in need every time you pay your rent on time. Swagbucks also offers a $20 welcome bonus when you sign up to earn money. There are a variety of tasks accessible to make money on this website. Take surveys, watch movies, and browse the internet for extra cash. You can also get your money back in the shape of a gift card. When you sign up for Rakuten, you'll receive a $10 bonus. This service's browser extension gives you cash back when you shop online. MyPoints provides you with an additional $10 welcome incentive. MyPoints is a daily rewards website that functions similarly to Rakuten. The sign-up bonuses would earn some extra cash right immediately. But employing many of these online surveys and cashback services at the same time could result in an extra $100 in your account every few weeks. Second is that you can sell your stuff. Do you have cash stashed in your attic, closet, or basement? You most likely do, in the form of items you've forgotten about or no longer require. Worse, if you have a storage locker, you're probably spending a lot of money for nothing. So why not sell this junk and generate some additional money while cleaning up your house? Selling unwanted stuff is a quick and easy approach to earning money with great earning potential. Worthy is a jewelry auction platform similar to eBay. An old engagement ring, diamond rings, gold, platinum, and gemstone earrings, bracelets, necklaces, watches, and other precious jewelry can be sold by anyone. They will even supply you with a free GIA certified evaluation. Cash for Gold USA is a gold-focused website. With pure gold fetching over $1,900 per ounce, you can make money by selling any coins or jewelry you may have laying around. They are even offering a $50 welcome bonus to new customers. Declutter is a website and application that can help you earn hundreds of dollars by trading in your old phone for cash. You are never going to use it again, so why not just sell it? If you use the promo code SELLMYSELL10, you will also receive a 10% bonus of up to $50. Declutter also buys a lot more than simple cell phones, so you need to check them out. Third, you can be compensated for your thoughts. A lot of websites need your feedback on products and services, and they will pay you to do a paid survey, test products, or view and rate movies. You can transform your Netflix time into genuine money-making time by doing surveys through sites like Inbox Dollars and Survey Junkie. Inbox Dollars offers a $5 welcome incentive as well as additional earning opportunities. You can earn money by doing surveys, watching films, voting in polls, playing games, and taking advantage of special offers. In my opinion, Survey Junkie is one of the greatest survey sites for money. You will not get rich and the site won't replace your full-time job, but you can easily make extra money in the form of gift cards or PayPal deposits, all in your leisure time. LifePoints is one of the world's largest influencer networks, has granted $28 million to its members in the previous year alone. For new customers, the company also provides a welcome incentive of 10 LifePoints. Qualifying for paid surveys on LifePoints is a little easier than on other survey sites. This is an important consideration before signing up for any online survey company. The best part is that the majority of their surveys can be finished in 10 minutes or less. You could be compensated to take part in research studies or focus groups. And they don't pay in points or gift cards. Instead, they pay in cash. You can make $100 in a day. Typical research studies focus on consumer products such as food or over-the-counter healthcare products. You would use the product for a day and provide feedback. This sometimes results in a free lunch or allowing you to keep the things you are trying. Not a bad way to make a buck. To get started in this field, you can contact your local market research firm or go through companies such as Pinecone Research. Another obvious option to make money is to work as a freelancer in the gig economy. There will be an ever-increasing number of opportunities available, especially now that the epidemic or pandemic has altered office life for so many businesses. Some careers have low entry barriers or no training required, making them ideal for a college student. Others, such as consulting, need extensive expertise and dedication. It is simple to get started with a low barrier to entry gig or internet business. You might be earning extra money within an hour. With the Steady app, you can start freelancing right away. Jobs are continually being published to dependable job boards that are in need of people in areas where there is a genuine employment requirement. Working with delivery application jobs is one of the simplest methods to earn $100 per day and much more. People are busy and will pay you to pick up their shipments and deliver their food to their homes. Make the most of this opportunity. With a valid driver's license, a car, and an auto insurance, you can earn $12, $15, or even $25 per hour in some markets. You will be paid a base salary as well as tips. You can also work as a driver for Uber or Lyft. You'd be an independent contractor as an Uber or Lyft driver. You might work on your own hours and decide how much you work in a day if people in your area require rides. The issue is the additional mileage you'd put on your personal vehicle. A major car repair could result in a loss of earnings for the week. HigherCar offers a solution. It is a peer-to-peer marketplace where you may hire out your automobile for Uber or Lyft. You might also earn extra money by renting out your own vehicle. If you currently drive for Uber or Lyft, it is a good idea to sign up for additional delivery application employment. You can still work delivering meals, groceries, or packages to individuals when transportation demand is low. Another thing to keep in mind is that tips go directly to you. Rideshare providers do not take a portion. Remember to read your customer and change is needed. Someone to converse, someone to listen, and someone recommendations for local events or restaurants. And there is a strong possibility you'll receive a nice tip. The best part about the gig economy is that you can test these and other ideas risk-free. You don't need to rent an office space, purchase commercial real estate, or even get business cards first. Using the list of ways to earn that we have provided, determine which ones work best for you and stick to the strategies that work. The only promise you make to yourself is to yourself. If you stick to what works, you can literally become a millionaire. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.